Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome. Come on in. Glad to be back with y'all. It's a beautiful day here in Goldsboro, North Carolina. I tell you one thing. It's a beautiful sunshiny day, but it's nice and crisp and breezy. It feels so good. Thought I was going to be able to sit out on the porch this morning, but it's a little bit too cool right now. Hopefully I'll be able to get out there later on this afternoon. So just tuning in with y'all to show y'all what my breakfast is going to be like this morning. I got it set up over here in my little juicing area. The other day I went to the store. I went to, Harris Teeter. I got some fresh pineapple. I've already cut it up, cut it off, and got it in a freezer bag. You can see my pretty, I love that pineapple top there. It's real pretty. Anywho, I peeled it and sliced it up. And after I got it sliced up, I went ahead and put me a couple packs of stevia on it and made sure it marinated it up real good. That's going in the freezer because I like to do smoothies, and when I do my smoothies, I always like fruit smoothies. So I go ahead and get my fruit ready and just throw it in the freezer. Over here, you see I got some nice strawberries now. These were a great deal. They were 3 cartons of them for $5, and I like this 3 cartons like this. So check out Harris Teeter. This is a good, it's a pound. So I got 3 pounds of strawberries for $5, and they taste pretty good because I like a good full-bodied strawberry. Last time I bought strawberries last year at the end, not last year, but during the end of the season, not too long ago, I paid $12 for a pound. I wasn't too happy about the price, but the taste was great. But anyway, I got these 3 pounds for $5, okay? Coming on around, I got some nice mangoes. I've already sliced them up, and I did the same thing with the mangoes. I put some stevia on them because I like my stuff sweet, and I don't use a lot of sugar all the time, but I like sweet stuff. So I got me some pineapple, strawberries, and some mango. I also have got some red beets. Hang on, let me get those beets out. And we're back. Okay, I've already got my jar filled up here. I got kale, strawberries, mango, and pineapple in there. And this is like a 16-ounce size container. And I also put I'm going to put a dash of vanilla flavor. I just love that vanilla flavoring in there. Probably about a half a teaspoon of vanilla flavor is what I put in there. Okay, just to give it that little extra oomph. And I'm going to put in here a couple packs of my stevia. Pour it right in there. So that's the sweetener. And because, again, I told you I use the sugar that I use is raw sugar. That's about I put about a half a teaspoon of raw sugar. I'm telling you, if you're gonna make stuff, make it taste good. I don't like half taste stuff. Y'all know me. It's about the flavor around here. Now, I'm going to have to put some ice in here because there's no ice in there. I like mine nice and frosty. But before I put the ice in there, I'm going to pour. So I've got this 2% reduced milk. It's by Food Line. And it's the lactose-free one. Because I get, excuse me, I don't tolerate, it seems like in the last few years, I don't tolerate regular milk too well. So I get the lactose-free. I'm going to have to walk over here to the fridge now and get some ice to go in there. So hold on just a sec. Okay, I'm back. The thing that I'm going to do next is to go ahead and put, I went ahead and put the ice in there. Now, I also keep a lot of frozen blueberries. I love blueberries, but I don't think I'm going to put blueberries in this one this morning. I'm just going to go with the strawberry. Oh, and I've got some banana, too. Remember, I told y'all about my frozen bananas, how when they, start getting dark, well, this is what they look like when they come out of the freezer. Since I've taken this one out, it's nice and cold. I'm just going to peel it. Just going to peel it back there. Plop it right in there on top of that. So I'll have that banana flavor in there also. So all this is good, nutritious stuff. Look, the sky's the limit. And the sky's endless, so you can go anywhere with these smoothies. Whatever flavors you like, just go ahead and plop them in there. Put you some milk in there or not. You can do it all with just fruit. I like the milky creamy, almost a milkshakey consistency and flavor in my smoothies. And when you get it going in here, the fruit is really, really sweet. You won't need a lot of sugar. Well, if you need more sweetening, then put some stevia in there or put some sugar, whatever you want to put in there. That's up to you. We'll leave that strictly up to you as far as, you know. Oh, there we go with the flub up for today. Okay, so now I'm just going to turn it on. I don't have a lot of space. Good 30 seconds in there, and what I do is take it off and check it to make sure that it's sweet enough, that it's cold enough, because like I say, I like mine icy. That was perfect. I'm ready to pour that one in the glass. Now that's a good old smoothie right there. That is wonderful. Whatever's left over, I'm going to leave it in the container right now. So for lunch, what I'll probably do, I want to clean those beets up and throw some beets over in there now. I'm sorry, for lunch. But for right now, I'm going to have me a nice glass of just the mango, strawberry, pineapple smoothie. Okay, so see how simple it is? Go ahead and clean that fruit up real good. Get it in the freezer. And so when you freeze your fruit, most of the time you don't have to put in the extra ice because the frozenness from the fruit will suffice as far as how cold you want it. But right now I had to put that ice in there because I like mine nice and frosty. So I'm going to go ahead now. This is going to be my breakfast. And I'll tell you, oh, remember the other day I was talking to y'all about, I don't know what kind of bread I told y'all that was, but what I was trying to think of was naan bread. That is some good stuff. So I'm going to have me a piece of this naan bread. All you got to do I bought it at Harris Teeter also. All you have to do is you take it and cut your piece, break your piece off or whatever. Put some butter on it. You can stick it in the microwave, stick it in the oven, however you want to do it. I'm going to run mine through the oven for a few minutes. And of course, I'm not there yet, y'all. Don't judge me. I'm cooking Kareem some pan sausage over here in the skillet. 3 of those are his. The other one's mine. So, I'm going to have me some naan bread and 1 piece of sausage. So, don't judge me, y'all. But I'm doing my nice, healthy smoothie this morning. I'm going to have me a nice cup of hot coffee with that naan bread and the sausage. So, until I cook again, I'm just going to say toodaloo. I'm going to go ahead now, y'all, and finish up Kareem's part of this breakfast. Drink my smoothie, and then I'm going to sit down and relax and enjoy my piece of naan bread and my hot cup of coffee. So, go out and buy you some fruit, veggies, anything you want to throw into those smoothies or whatever you want to put in them. Just remember, make it healthy. You'll get there. Keep on trying. You're encouraged. And listen, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Do something good for yourself today, because after all, it's Friday. Go out, take somebody out, cook a meal. Just do what you want to do today. All right, until we meet again, I'm going to say toodaloo. Love you.